What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammerdance YouTube channel. Today we are filming on my brand new Sony ZV-1. Apparently this is the best camera for content creators according to Sony, so we're going to be testing it out. I just got it in the mail today, so we're going to shoot from this angle for this video. The purpose of this video obviously is going to be to teach you guys how to light your videos and light your live streams to make it look good, like make it look clean, crispy, and clear, because having good lighting is super important and it really does improve the quality of your videos. So in a moment here, I'm going to take the camera off this tripod, and I'm going to walk around and show you exactly how I point my lights on myself when I'm streaming, and even right now how I have my lights while I am filming this video. But before we get into that, guys, please take a minute to check out the sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is the place to go, guys, if you are looking for new graphics for your streams. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming, they have you covered. You can get anything you want on Own.tv. We have full packages here. As you can see, this timeline series, you got your starting soon screen, you have your be right back screen. Basically every element that you need for your stream is in this package. And one of the best parts of these designs is that most of them are modular, so you can change the colors to match your brand perfectly. Be sure to check out Own.tv, guys, using my link below to support the channel. Alright, for the record here, I gotta say this camera is nice, and I will be making a video showcasing this thing, showcasing what it can do, because I like it. I already like this. This is a nice setup. It's pretty good. I'm using the Rode VideoMic Pro on top of it to capture the audio right now, and I think this is a pretty clean setup. But anyways, guys, so right now I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod and show you guys how I have the lights positioned right now for recording this video. You're gonna be surprised because you can have an extremely professional lighting setup for literally under $100 if you just buy some lights on Amazon. It's all about how you position them. I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, guys, so I have the camera off the tripod right now. I have it on a little handstand here. I'm going to step back and show you guys how I have the light set up right now. When I was just filming the beginning of this video, I was just using a single key light that I purchased on Amazon for $70, and I'll show you that right now. If you're looking at it right here, this is my setup. There I was sitting in my chair. There's my background. Those are just lighting the back of me up. My ring lights up there. I have my nano leaves. Over there we have the LifeX beam. But right here, this is the key light that I was using to light the shot. So basically, if you step back, this scene looks like that, right? So I had the camera right here on this tripod, directly in front of me, about 3-4 feet, and this key light was the only thing lighting me directly, which was pretty cool. I do a little bit different of a of a lighting scene when I'm live streaming, but for filming videos, this is generally where it works. Most of my videos were done from this angle right here on the Canon M200, and when I use the Canon M200 to record my YouTube videos, I have these two ring lights that I put on myself, as well as this key light, which I position right here in the corner, right next to that speaker. And then I find that if I do need a little bit more of a ambient lighting in the background, I have a floodlight back here that I can turn on with a remote, and that adds some light, kind of lights up the whole room, just like that. So that's basically how I do it, guys. I mean, it's fairly simple. I just have this one key light in front of me. You set it to however you want. I think mine is at 6K right now, color setting. For the temperature, and then you can also control the brightness. I'll put a link actually down below in the description of this video to show you guys where I purchased this. I did get it on Amazon about a year ago, and I'm sure they still sell it, or they sell something like it, so I will link that down in the description below this video to you guys. And then the other thing really is just the ring lights, which you can pick these up on Amazon, I think for between 20 and 30 bucks a piece, and just grab some little tripods to throw them on, and they are USB powered, which is pretty cool, and they definitely do a really good job at lighting up my shot when I'm streaming. So just to give you guys a little picture here, if I turn my chair around, you can imagine me sitting in that chair right there when I'm streaming. This is what it looks like. I have my two ring lights just like that, the Canon M200 right there as my live streaming camera, and then the big key light, this guy right here, I usually have him right here, right next to where that speaker is, pointing at me from the direction, kind of like exactly at the same angle as the M200 camera is. So it does a really good job at lighting up the shot. Alright, guys, so there you have it. I know you guys have been asking me a lot about how to light your shot for streaming and for doing your YouTube videos. It's not that complex. It's actually pretty simple. I'm sure there's way more professional ways of doing it, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, because this is how most people are going to do it. They're not going to dump, you know, $500 or $1,000 into lighting their YouTube videos right off the bat. So when you're first getting started, pick yourself up a couple of ring lights and maybe one key light like I have in front of me here, and it's been doing pretty good for me. I mean, it's all about positioning. You know, you want that key light to be on you, or you know, whatever the subject is, and like for this specific shot right now, I'm using the ring lights to just kind of light up the background of me to, like, you know, make a nice outline so that it looks crystal clear in this video. That's really it, guys. I'm gonna link all these lights. I'll link the ring lights and the key light in the description below this video. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, and consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you guys want to hang out with me on my live stream, I do stream on Twitch Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We started playing marbles on stream, and it's a lot of fun. But anyways, I'll link my Twitch down in the description below this video as well, so give me a follow on there if you guys want to hang out. But that's really all I've got for you guys today, so I want you to keep your hammers up, and I'll see you next time.